Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, December 15th, 2015. Well, folks, markets are in rally mode today. Beautiful move to the upside, up about $2.80 on the SPY, as you can see in front of you. This is the intraday 10-minute chart. I called this, nailed it. We accumulated longs basically last Friday into Monday yesterday. All right, I've already sold some of those longs, just to give you a sense, guys, and I think I talked about this yesterday, but I picked up with members here in the Research Center TNA yesterday. What did we buy it at? We bought it literally at the lows here. I think a penny from the lows is where I gave it out to members, and we made almost 7% in 24 hours. That's a market ETF. It's a triple, but nonetheless, that's a sick move. $4 move. We actually took $4 in profit. 59.30 entry to 63.30 exit. And I took it off the table today. You might say, well, how come? You know, because I've been talking about a year-end rally, which I think probably did begin, but you still have to be conservative going into the Fed meeting tomorrow. And I think that's the key. But again, $4 in 24 hours, how are you going to say no to that anyways? That's ludicrous. I can always rebuy it after the Fed tomorrow when things are all clear. But again, why would you risk that? All right, I had 5,000 shares. That's how many shares I had. That's a 20K profit. Members here, even if they just had 1,000 shares of this, even 500 shares, that's $2,000 profit in 24 hours. That's just one thing. All right, we also had other plays. What did I have? Well, I'd been holding lumber liquidators because I knew that this was near the low. So it was just a matter of when it was going to pop. Today it popped. We took another profit off that. Huge profit there on lumber liquidators. All right. You could also look at other plays out there, guys. There are tons of profits being taken here. Not only that, but I also unloaded shorts late last week. We also had options trades. Options trades today. I already took my SunEdison calls off. I've been pumping this as the buy of the century when it was below $3. It got as low as $2.50. It is now up 100%. I said, listen, this is going to be the biggest bounce percentage-wise you've seen on a large-cap billion-dollar company. Sure enough, it was. And that's the beauty of it, guys. I knew it was coming. We loaded the boat. We have stock still. I had options. I sold those options. Great move here. Okay, and again, it just keeps on getting better and better. Just a couple days ago, I picked up Qualcomm. Look at Qualcomm today, up $1.77, in the money beautifully on this play in the Research Center. I could go on and on. And again, I just love it because it's working out perfectly. Every maneuver based on the PPT methodology keeps giving us profits. All right, just a couple weeks ago, I was accumulating shorts. Then late last week, I started to cover the shorts. And ultimately, yesterday, I called the dead low of this market. How did I know? Because IWM told me. And again, look at this IWM daily chart. This is the line. See the gap fill? This was the line. Notice how it coincided with the week of the Federal Reserve. That's what I expected it to do. I told people going into December, look for downside into mid-December, Fed meeting December 16th, which is tomorrow, then look for a rally. And that's exactly what's happened here. All right, now again, the wild card tomorrow, you just don't ever know where the market's going to go, but it doesn't matter because at this point, we have made so much money. Members here, if you're in the Research Center, literally you just bought your Christmas presents, you just bought your trips at the end of the year, your holidays. I mean, we're literally talking about some members have emailed saying they've made literally $50,000 in the last week. And those are on not crazy sized positions. Just because, again, you know, we had VXX made 17% on that just less than a week ago. We had other plays, other shorting plays. I had TZA. So isn't this crazy? So TZA, we had this just, you know, for this run up. All right, and then what I did is once we sold TZA for like a 15% gain, I flipped it over to the inverse of that, and we bought TNA, and we just took $4 on that. I mean, listen, the bottom line is, you know, the results speak for themselves. And everything's time-stamped here, third-party verified. It is what it is. Bottom line is, the profits are here, and they're staying, and we're going to build on them. And the great thing about it is the market's been amazing this year. This is the biggest profit year ever at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and it's only getting better next year because our projections show more volatility even than this year next year. And that means more opportunities, more trade alerts, and more profits. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. It's a freaking free trial. Don't be an idiot. It's like, here, let me give you $100. No, I don't want $100. Wait, really? Okay. Anyways, guys, take care. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.